life are never treated like that. Never made to question what they know inside is true. Never told their feelings are a little too much for you. I hope you see the damage, not just what you chose to take. When you built yourself a shelter from the promises you'd break. I just pray she doesn't learn to make herself so small and gray. A house key on a cold counter, a little gleam of steel. The only thing you left behind that still feels halfway real. Winter afternoon arrives and brings the early gloom. I flick the switch on sooner just to occupy the room. It wasn't one big fracture, just a million tiny tears. A slow and quiet erosion through the long and wasted years. I used to wear the fault lines like a pattern on my skin. Believed if I tried harder I could let the good parts in. But accepting that the loss was just the lesson I would find is a quiet kind of freedom that you had to leave behind. Pray the women in your life are never treated like that. Never made to question what they know inside is true. Never told their feelings are a little too much for you. I hope you see the damage, not just what you chose to take. When you built yourself a shelter from the promises you'd break. I just pray she doesn't learn